Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is addition data sum from chapter number 2, which is on page number 20. Page number 20, data sums. Question number 6, 7 and 9 we had already done in our previous video. Today we are going to do our question number 8. Mother wanted to make cheese puff biscuits for my birthday party. She went to market and bought 20 of each of the following items. Rupees 115 for one bag, rupees 84 for one packet of butter, rupees 215 for one slice of cheese. How many money did she spend to the shopkeeper when she was handed over the bill? Now here we have to find the total money which she has to pay. She has to buy 20 items of each. She buy from the market 20 flour bags, 20 packet of butters, 20 slice of cheese. Now we have here the price of one thing, and we have to find the price of 20. Then we find that how much she has to pay to the shopkeeper. Look at the board for the answer. Write question number 8 on the top. After writing that question number 8 on the top, write that data which is on your book as a table form. Price of one bag of flour is 115 rupees. Price of one packet of butter is 84. Price of one slice of cheese is 215 rupees. Then we are going to start our answer here. Now we have to find the price of 20 bags of flour first. Price of 20 bag of flour, we have to multiply 115 with 20 and find your answer. You can multiply it on any rough notebook. 20 packet of butter is equal to 84 multiply 20. 20 slices of cheese is equal to 215 multiply 20, and we find our answer. After finding that price of 20 packets, 20 bag or 20 slices, now we have to find the total money which she has to pay to the shopkeeper. Add all that three values and we find our answer that she has to pay that money to the shopkeeper for buying all that things. That's how you can solve your question number 8. Now move on for the next page. Next page is question number 10, which is on page number 21. Just question number 8 you have to solve in your loose sheets, and do that question number 8 and 10 and 1 on the book. A town is divided into 4 administrative blocks A, B, C and D. All the blocks have different number of apartments. The chart below show the number of apartments per block. Block A has 2375 apartments. Block B has 4000 something apartments. Block C has 1800 apartments, and block D had 3700 something apartments. So regarding that table, we have to find the answer of that questions. How many houses are there altogether in block A and D? Just block A and D. Write that two values on the rough notebook and find the answer of that part A. Add that two apartments and find the answers. What is the sum of the houses of block E, block B and C? Here is not the here they don't mention the block E. So it means that maybe here it is block A. Maybe here it is block A. So consider it block A, B and C. So add the apartments of block A, B and C and you can find the answer of part B. Which block has a greater number of houses? It's very easy. Look at all the apartments and you find the answer, which block has the greatest apartment or houses. How many houses are there altogether? For finding the altogether houses, we have to add all the apartments of all 4 blocks and we find our answer. Do that question on the book. Now move on for next question, which is question number 1. Mr. Azam is traveling from Gujarat to Islamabad by road. He passed through different cities and stopped at some of on his way before he reached Islamabad. Gujarat to Khariyan he travelled 1412 km. From Khariyan to Jhelum, Jhelum to Suhawa, Suhawa to Mandra, Mandra to Rawat and Rawat to Islamabad. These are the distance travelled by Ali from one stop to other stop. Now look at the questions below are: how much distance has been covered on his first stop at Suhava? His first stop at Suhava. Now look here. From Gujarat to Khariya and then Khariya to Jhelum, then Jhelum to Suhava. It means that from Gujarat to Suhava, you have to find how many distance he traveled from Gujarat to Suhava, her his fourth station, which is, for finding that answer you have to add that three distances traveled by Ali till Suhava. You find the answer of part A. Now move on for part B. What is the total distance between Suhava and Rawat? Look here, Suhava to Mandra, Mandra to Rawat. It means that you have to add that two distances and you find the answer of part B. How much distance? Now look here for part C. How much distance will he cover in all when he finally reached Islamabad? So total how many distance he covered, you have to add the all the distance covered traveled by Ali. Then you find the answer that how much distance he traveled from Gujarat to Islamabad. Write the name of the cities from the nearest to furthest from Gujarat. Name of the cities. You have to write the name of that two cities which are the nearest, that which city is the nearest ones and which city is the furthest one from the Gujarat. So nearest city from Gujarat is Khariya and the furthest city from Gujarat to Islamabad is Islamabad. Islamabad is the furthest city from Gujarat. This is the answer of your part D. That's how you solve that two questions on the book. Now move on for the next page. Next page has subtraction. Subtraction, it is our new topic, subtraction. Subtraction of 6-digit number. This I had already given you as my first week task, but I am just going to explain it to you quickly. Just underline that three lines. We know very well that the number from which we are going to subtract another number is called minuend, and the number which is being subtracted are called subtrahend, and our answer here is difference. The number you subtract is called subtrahend, the number you subtract from is called minuend, and the result is different. Underline that three lines. Do that question number 1 mentally. You can easily solve it, subtract them and find your answer. Question number 2, do it on the book. Do that question on the book as well. Do this on the book as well. Now move on for the next page. Here question number 3, subtract. It is very easy. Question number 3, subtracting the different numbers or the different subtracting the numbers of different sizes. Do that question number 3 on your loose sheets by your own. Make sums, and regarding that subtraction sums, you have a video in your grade 5 um, all videos tasks. You can take help from that video regarding that question. Do your work till question number 3, and later we have some data sums, and we will do that data sums inshallah in my next video. Allah Hafiz. Do all that work regularly and be punctual and be safe at home. Allah Hafiz.